Okay, hi guys. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Kak Tasya.
Halo, good evening.
Good evening, guys. Yeah,
Halo.
it's
Evening,
more
Kak
than 20
Tasya.
participants. Yes, it is. Okay, guys. So welcome back to Speaking Partner in Basic 2. Ya, Basic 2 ya, kelas ini ya.
Yes,
Yes,
basic
Ma'am.
two.
Oke. So, Basic 1 sama tutor siapa, guys? Kalian satu kelas lagi? Pernah satu kelas atau ini campuran dari kelas-kelas lain?
Campuran
ya?
sama
Bro Islam.
Yes.
Kalau saya sama Bro Kavi, Kak.
Oh iya, oke.
Saya sama Bro Kavi, campuran mungkin.
Campuran ya, ini campuran ya, oke. Alright guys, so um, karena ini pertama kalinya teman-teman belajar sama aku ya, jadi I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Tasya Oktamasila. You can easily call me Tasya. I am from West Nusa Tenggara, specifically in Bima. It's actually a small city near Lombok, and it's also near NTT gitu ya, very very near. And terus apa lagi ya? Oh yeah, so I actually not came from English background or English education, English literature. No, I am from engineering background. So I was graduated in 2019 from Jenderal Sudirman University, majoring in geological engineering. But I love English so much, so I really love this job, and I've been teaching English for about 2 years now. And in this level, basic 2, you guys are going to have a basic 2 class with me in 1 month, selama 1 bulan bersama aku ya. Okay, so kalau di basic 1, I wanna ask to you guys, when you were in your basic 1 class, teman-teman dibiasakan untuk menggunakan breakout room nggak?
Sometimes.
Breakout room ya, untuk diskusi,
Sometimes,
praktikum.
kadang-kadang. Oke. Di level ini juga sama ya, sistem kita masih karena ini kan sebenarnya kelas lumayan banyak ya. Jadi for 1 hour nggak mungkin semuanya bisa practice. Jadi kita mengalokasikan yang namanya breakout room for you to have your own private room untuk practice. Aku kecepatan ngomongnya. Ada yang komen katanya aku kecepatan, guys. Aku kecepatan nggak ngomongnya? Nanti aku pelan-pelanin deh. Oke.
Sounds
Oh
great.
my God, I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. I think that's it, guys. Do you guys have any question? If it's no, kita perkenalan gantian ya. Jadi teman-teman yang memperkenalkan diri setelah ini. Oke. Ini yang mau memperkenalkan diri boleh dong angkat tangan aja, guys. Angkat tangan aja, nanti aku pilih ya. Oke, angkat tangan aja. You use the raise hand feature on the bottom of your Zoom. Ya, itu ada raise hand, ada reaction, terus pilih yang raise hand ya. Use that, nanti I'm going to choose you. Jadi kita pakai biasanya yang pertama angkat tangan, yang pertama aku panggil. Jadi kalau besok mau praktis duluan, silahkan angkat tangan dari awal ya. Oke, kita ke Sister Humairah.
Halo sis,
Halo. Can you please introduce yourself?
my full name is Humaira Nur Syahida. You can call me Humay. I'm from Medan, North Sumatra.
Medan, North Sumatra. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. So how can I call you tadi? Humairah
Humay.
atau apa? Yang enak Humay aja ya, Sister Humay. Oke, Sister Humay, thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice you meet you.
Oke. Next 3, Sister 3, Herlinawati.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Yeah. My name is Sri Hernawati and you can call me Dina. I'm from Pasuruan.
Okay. And then what else? What is your occupation?
I am a teacher
Oh,
in
teacher.
elementary school.
Oke,
Yeah.
what teacher? Teacher apa?
In elementary school,
Oh, kalau elementary school semuanya ya?
iya.
Oh, iya, iya, sorry, lupa aku.
Guru kelas.
Iya, guru kalau elementary school semuanya ya, sis ya. Oke, thank you, Sister Tri. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oke, supaya mikrofon nggak bocor-bocor, aku ini aja ya. Aku mute secara keseluruhan aja. Nanti aku cuma nyalain mikrofonnya yang aku tunjuk aja ya. Soalnya kadang-kadang kalau udah aku mute nanti ke mute lagi, ke unmute lagi gitu. Jadi aku aja yang kontrol di sini. Oke, Sister Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. My name is Sri Irmawan and I'm from Bekasi. And I live now Jatimulya. You can call me Sri, ma'am.
Sister Sri ya. Oke, very
Yes.
good. Nice to meet you, Sister Sri.
My pleasure.
Oke, kita ke Sister Nina now. Coba bisa di-unmute nggak? Halo. Coba di-unmute, sis. Mikrofonnya diklik mikrofon. Nah, oke.
Okay. Hello, Miss
Hello.
Tasya. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I will introduce myself. My name is Nina Rosida. I'm from Jakarta, and I enjoy to join this group. Continue to basic too. Okay,
Oh.
thank you.
Oke, panggilannya Sister Nina ya. Sister
Yes.
Nina, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Nice to
you're
meet
welcome.
you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. Next, Sister Aina. Hello.
Hello. My name
Hi.
is Aina Asgatu Hamida. You can call me Aina. I live in Bandung.
Oke, tadi panggilannya Aina ya? Oke,
Yes.
Aina. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Aina.
You're welcome.
Oke, kita ke Raihan, Bro Raihan. Oh, akhirnya dapat yang bro. Dari tadi sis terus ya. Oke, halo. Can you
Hi
please introduce
everyone.
yourself?
Hi, Sis Tasya. My name is Raihan Yuandito. You guys can call me Raihan. I am from Semarang. Nice to meet you all.
Oh, nice to meet you. Oke, from Semarang ya, panggilannya Raihan. Thank you, Raihan.
Yes. You're welcome.
Oke, sekarang kita ke Novita. Halo.
Hello, Sis Tasya. Good evening.
Halo. Good
All right.
evening.
Okay, thank you for this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Novita Samaere. You can call me Vita. And I am from Manado, North Sulawesi. I'm so excited to join this class. So, welcome everybody.
Welcome. Oke. Nice.
Bye, thank you.
Five. Thank you, Sister Novita. Panggilannya apa? Novi, Vita? Enaknya gimana? Vita ya. Oke, Sister
Yes,
Vita.
Vita.
Thank you. Nice to
Yes.
meet you ya.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Oke. Next. Maybe this is the last one ya. Oh no, I think the second one. The second last. Oke, kita ke Darius Victoriadi. Namanya cowok.
Darius is my boy, my little boy.
Oh, your son. Okay. What is your name?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Hi, boy.
Hi.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
My name is Virta. You can call me Virta. I'm from Manado, but now I live in Jakarta.
Oh, okay. So you live in Jakarta now.
Yes.
Oh, right. Very good.
Nice to
Virta
meet
ya,
you.
tadi Sister Virta.
Hello guys, everyone. Hello.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sister Firta. Okay.
I'm happy di kelas lah.
Oh ya, always happy ya, harus always happy ya.
Ya,
Kita kan
thank you.
kita kan bakal have fun di sini ya. Oke, thank you. Alright, the last one ya, the last one sister, sorry, bro Rian. Yang angkat tangan jangan diturunin dulu ya, tolong nanti ada praktis lagi di akhir ya. Jadi jangan diturunin dulu.
Hi partner,
Okay.
my name is Rian Francisco. You can call me Rian. I'm from East Java, specifically from Malang, and now I live in Malang.
Oke, so Bro Rian live in Malang ya.
Yeah.
Oke, thank you ya bro. Thank you Bro Rian. Nice to meet you.
Okay, sis.
Oke, so that's all for the introduction. Nanti kita ada praktis di akhir, jadi don't worry. Untuk teman-teman yang angkat tangan dan belum ditunjuk habis ini, nah nanti di akhir akan aku tunjuk kok. Tapi nggak semua, mungkin ya nggak bisa semua karena kita terlalu banyak. And also the breakout room itu nggak akan kita pakai di minggu pertama. Kita akan pakai breakout room di minggu kedua. Ya, dan biasanya trialnya nanti di hari Jumat. Jadi hari Jumat itu kita akan pakai breakout room untuk pertama kali dan sampai seterusnya nanti. Oke, hari ini topik kita sebenarnya mirip-mirip sama topiknya waktu teman-teman masih di level basic 1 ya. Cuma kalau di basic 1 itu topiknya tentang introducing aja, introduction ya. Kalau sekarang introduction juga, tapi lebih lengkap, lebih panjang, lebih clear. Jadi, how to introduce yourself longer and clearer. Ya. Oke, so kita mulai. Sebelumnya aku mau tanya dulu. Are you guys ready to start?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ready.
Yes.
Okay. Oke, kalau ready kita langsung mulai ya. Oke, so now let's introduce ourselves and be partners ya. Jadi kita kan hari ini perkenalan. Oke, tadi udah perkenalan di awal tapi itu belum sesuai dengan yang topik kita hari ini. Nanti di akhir teman-teman akan praktis setelah aku menjelaskan semua materi ya. Oke, jadi when we want to introduce ourselves, actually there are 3 rules that we have to remember. The first is don't be nervous. Jangan gugup karena kalau kalian gugup kalian akan lupa mau ngomong apa. Oke, itu yang pertama. Yang kedua, keep it simple but keep it clear. Jadi sebisa mungkin sesimpel mungkin tapi tetap jelas ya. Yang kedua, keep on point. Kenapa on point? Kalau kepanjangan, too much information orang akan bosan dengerinnya. Jadi keep on point, straight to the point. Apa yang dibutuhkan silahkan dijelaskan, yang enggak usah dijelaskan ya. Oke, jadi yang pertama adalah don't be nervous, keep it simple but clear and on point. Itu yang pertama. And this is actually the question. Nanti question ini akan kita pakai. Biasanya question ini adalah yang akan suka ditanyakan ya, suka ditanyakan ketika kita baru kenal orang ya dan lain-lain. Nah, teman-teman hari ini perkenalan dirinya adalah nanti mengcover semua pertanyaan ini. So, nanti at the end of the class, you are going to introduce yourself using by answering this question. Jadi, in your introduction, you are supposed to answer this question. Ya, nanti di akhir. Oke, so yang pertama, gimana sih caranya introduce ourselves dengan lengkap tadi? Ini ada 7 ya, ada 7 part. 7 poin yang teman-teman akan jelaskan nanti ketika di perkenalan. Yang pertama, nama pasti ya. Nama itu nama panjang atau nama panggilan, it's okay lah, bebas ya. Oke, jadi my full name is, atau I am. Bebas saja mau pakai yang mana, tapi kalau my full name ini udah jelas nama panjang ya. Kemudian yang kedua, ini apa? Occupation. pekerjaan ya. Misalnya teman-teman sebagai dokter berarti bisa bilang I am a doctor. Kalau kalian sebagai artis bisa bilang I am an artist. Ya, itu yang pertama. Kemudian bisa juga teman-teman bilang I work as a doctor. Bisa juga pakai cara kedua. Itu pilih aja salah satu ya yang mana yang dirasa nyaman. Ya, misalnya kalian sedang tidak bekerja tapi kalian sedang mencari pekerjaan ya. I don't work but I'm trying to get a job atau I'm seeking for job now. Ya, bisa dijelasin untuk yang tentang job ini. Jadi kalian pilih aja mau yang mana yang dipakai ya. Patternnya mau pakai yang pertama ini, yang kedua ini atau yang ketiga ini. Oke, terus setelah job apalagi sih yang ketiga? Umur ya, umur. Biasanya kalau umur itu kita kan kadang-kadang nggak mau nih jelasin umur terlalu detail ya. Jadi kadang-kadang aku pokoknya 20 tahunan gitu. Nah, bisa bilang I'm in my 20s bisa atau I'm 20-ish juga bisa. Aku 20-an ada ish-nya di belakang. I'm 20-ish, 20-an. Atau I'm around 20 juga bisa. Ya, itu kalau nggak mau detail atau nggak mau spesifik kasih tahu umur beneran umurnya tuh berapa gitu ya. Atau kalau mau bener-bener spesifik, misalnya aku udah 27 tahun. Kalian mau bilang I am 27 years old, ya. Terus misalnya kan kalau misalkan 27 itu kan almost 30, tapi nggak mau sebutin nih berapa umur pastinya. Bisa juga pakai I'm almost 30, ya. Aku hampir 30. Jadi untuk yang pertama dan ketiga itu kalau kalian nggak mau kasih tahu nih umur spesifiknya yang benernya, kalau yang kedua itu jelas spesifik ya. Oke, terus setelah umur apalagi background atau kalian apa namanya lulusan mana atau belajar di mana gitu ya. I studied in yada 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 and finished in yada yada yada. Nah, kalau ini mungkin lebih ke tahun ya. Teman-teman bisa jelasin tahun belajar terus selesai belajarnya kapan. Terus yang kedua itu kalau kalian mau jelasin tentang kalian lulusan mana dan juga majornya di mana. Major itu jurusan ya. Misalnya I graduated in misalnya apa ya? Jenderal Sudirman University majoring in geological engineering. Itu contoh ya. Harusnya sih ini bukan graduated in ya kalau nama ini pakai from. Oke. Oke, from pakai from. I graduated from Jenderal Sudirman University majoring in di sini in-nya baru di sini. Nice. Gitu ya. Oke, terus yang ketiga, it was yada 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 years ago I finished my bachelor's. Misalnya kalian mau jelasin kalau kalian udah 5 tahun atau 10 tahun selesai S1 gitu ya. It was 10 years ago I finished my bachelor's degree gitu ya. Itu bisa. Kemudian setelah background pendidikan gitu ya, kita jelasin lagi tentang hobi kita. I spend my leisure time by watching movies atau swimming, singing dan lain-lain. Atau biasanya orang-orang kalau orang bule suka bilang I love singing, I love doing writing, I love doing reading. Itu juga bisa. Terus I'm into juga sering aku denger ya untuk bule-bule suka bilang I'm into singing, I'm into music, into tuh menandakan kalian tuh interest terhadap sesuatu ya. Oke. Pilih juga mau pakai yang mana ini bebas aja. Yang penting syarat wajibnya adalah semua aktivitinya kalau bisa menggunakan verb ing form. Misalnya swimming, singing, reading, cooking, hiking dan lain-lain. Oke. Next yang keenam. I am taking this class because alasannya apa kalian join ke kelas ini? Ya, contoh, I'm taking this class because I want to get a promotion, ya, in my company so that I can earn more money. Misalnya contoh, atau I'm taking this class because I want to pursue master's degree abroad, so I need to improve my English. Dan lain-lain. Masih banyak alasan teman-teman nanti dijelasin aja. Oke, yang kedua juga bisa pakai pattern yang kedua. The reason why I'm taking this class is because, ya. The reason why I'm taking this class. Harusnya ada tambahan ya. This class is because. Okay. The reason why I'm taking this class is because I want to improve my speaking so that I can teach my children. Contoh, ya. Jadi you can actually use both the first or the second one. Bebas ya. Kemudian yang ketujuh, by the end of this class, I hope I can. Nah, ini adalah apa ya? Harapan ya, atau kalian berharap, hope ya. Kalian berharap setelah kelas ini selesai, kalian tuh sudah bisa apa-apa gitu ya. Misalnya, by the end of this class, I hope I can speak fluently and confidently. Ya, di akhir kelas ini, dengan berakhirnya kelas ini, saya berharap bahwa saya bisa speaking dengan lebih lancar dan lebih confident, ya, lebih percaya diri. Itu contoh ya. Oke, terus juga bisa dibilang the goal is to speak fluently gitu. Misalnya, goal aku ya, atau my goal bisa my goal is to speak fluently. Jadi goalku ya adalah aku bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris dengan lancar. Oke, jadi kira-kira ini yang nanti teman-teman akan lakukan. Yang pertama nama, yang kedua pekerjaan, yang ketiga umur, yang keempat background study. Kalian backgroundnya apa? SMA, SMP, atau backgroundnya mungkin kuliah jurusan apa dan lain-lain. Kemudian I spend my leisure time, ini hobi ya, yang kelima hobi, yang keenam alasan kenapa mengikuti kelas ini, dan yang ketujuh adalah harapan ketika kalian sudah selesai mengikuti kelas level 2 ini kalian ingin seperti apa gitu ya. Oke, sampai sini paham guys? Ada yang mau ditanyain dulu?
I think enough.
Enough ya. Yang lain gimana?
Clear, sis.
Clear. Oke, thank you. Oke, nanti kalau ada pertanyaan bisa ditanyakan di akhir, it's okay. Oke, kita lanjut dulu ya. Nah, ini adalah additional lesson untuk teman-teman semua. Greeting ini udah disampaikan harusnya ya di level 1 ya. Jadi greeting itu berarti salam ya. Teman-teman bisa pakai hello, hi, good morning, afternoon, evening. Jadi jangan lagi bilang good night ya guys ya. Good night itu kalau selamat tidur ya. Jadi teman-teman kalau mau bilang selamat malam pakai good evening aja. Oke, itu kalau greeting. Terus kalau mau nanya kabar, nanya keadaan temennya ya, bisa bilang what's up? How's life going on? How's life juga boleh. How is your day going? How are you doing? Apalagi how have you been dan lain-lain. Masih banyak ya. Responnya banyak, bisa kalau lagi baik-baik aja bisa bilang I'm great, I'm fine, and rejoice, not bad, not much. Not bad itu berarti tandanya enggak buruk gitu ya, berarti tandanya kalian oke. Kalau not much ini biasanya adalah jawaban untuk yang WhatsApp. Biasanya kalau WhatsApp jawabnya not much. What's up guys? Not much, just laying on bed gitu ya. Terus never been better artinya kalian gak pernah sebaik ini, berarti keadaan kalian sekarang lagi baik banget ya. Oke gitu. Terus kalau udah selesai ngobrol dan lain-lain, biasanya kita kan ada greetings ya, greetings lagi kayak kata-kata terakhir lah sebelum kita berpisah, misalnya goodbye ya, atau see you soon. See you soon berarti sampai ketemu lagi secepatnya. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you nih biasanya kalau baru kenalan ya. Makanya tadi kan kita kenalan kan aku bilang nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Terus nice seeing you berarti kalau kita benar-benar saling melihat satu sama lain, terus aku bilang oh nice seeing you gitu ya. Oke. This is the example and you are going to do this after this. Setelah ini ya. Kita practice satu persatu. Jangan lupa angkat tangannya dari sekarang. Oke, aku jelasin dulu, aku bacain dulu. Ini adalah contoh, kira-kira inilah yang nanti teman-teman akan lakukan setelah ini. Jadi di sini dia pakai greetingsnya hi partners, good evening. Pastinya kita ganti good evening ya karena kita malam. Good evening all, let me tell you about myself. So I am Ica Dewi di sini orangnya namanya Ica Dewi ya. You can call me as simple as Ica. Ya, kamu bisa panggil aku sesimpel Ica katanya. I work in one of English courses in Pare as an online tutor. Aku bekerja sebagai salah satu kursus bahasa Inggris di Pare sebagai tutor online. If you ask about my age, kalau kalian bertanya tentang umurku, ya, I am around 20s. Dia bilang aku sekitar 20-an, ya. Still young katanya, masih muda. I graduated from Gajah Mada University in 2019. Ya, nanti bisa ditambahin lagi jurusannya apa? Misalnya majoring in apa? Ya, untuk teman-teman nanti sekalian dijelasin jurusannya ya. Kemudian for spending my leisure time, untuk menghabiskan waktu luangku gitu ya. Usually I love to watch Korean drama on Telegram. Biasanya sih aku suka nonton drama Korea di Telegram. Dia maunya yang gratisan guys ya, yang di Telegram. Oke. And I'm taking this class because I saw many ads on Instagram and I'm interested to follow it. Di sini dia bilang, aku mengambil kelas ini karena aku melihat ada banyak iklan gitu ya di Instagram dan aku sih tertarik gitu ya mengikuti ini. Nah, teman-teman boleh kayak gini juga, join the class karena kalian melihat iklan dan lain-lain, atau bisa juga join this class karena memang kalian butuh ya untuk belajar. Ya terserah kan alasannya nanti apa. Terus yang terakhir, and the last, my goal is to be able to speak English well. Ya, dan terakhir ya, goal aku adalah aku ingin bisa berbahasa Inggris atau berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan baik. Thanks in advance. Thanks in advance ini adalah kalimat terakhir atau kata penutupan dia. Atau bisa kalian bilang, that's all for me, thank you. Itu juga boleh ya. Okay, so this is actually the pattern from the example. You can use this pattern, but you can also create your own pattern. Jadi teman-teman boleh menggunakan pattern ini sebagai acuan contoh, tapi kalian juga boleh explore. Kalian pengennya cara yang lain, yang penting lengkap kayak gini ya. Di sini ada nama ini ya. Ada nama dia, yang penting ada 7 ini ya. Nama, terus pekerjaan, terus umur, terus belajar di mana, jurusan apa, hobinya apa, alasan mengambil kelas ini, sama goal setelah kelas. Yang penting 7 ini terlengkapi. Bebas mau patternnya kalian buat sendiri, sesuaikan dengan gaya bicara teman-teman sendiri ya. Oke, sampai sini paham? Habis itu kita praktis. Perkenalan lagi. Oke. Alright, kalau paham kita langsung aja mulai. Aku mute dulu. Kita langsung practice. Please introduce yourself longer and clearer. Now I'm gonna start first with Aldriani. Halo. Bisa nggak nih di-unmute nih? Kalau nggak bisa di-unmute nanti aku ini ya, pindah ke yang lain. Oke, nggak bisa ya. Oke, kita pindah ke Sister Cici. Halo? Sister Cici coba di-unmute dulu mikrofonnya. Oke, halo.
Hello.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi guys. I want to introduce myself. Alhamdulillah. I'm from South Kalimantan. And then I selling food in my country and in my place. And then I spending my leisure time by cooking and watching movie, Korean drama, and apa lagi ya, Miss?
I'm taking this class because the reason you take this class.
Yes, my reason follow this English because I like speak English. Maybe I hope I hope my goal is to be able to speak English well. That's all for me.
Oke, very good, nice. Panggilannya apa nih? Anaknya dipanggil Sister Andila, Sister
Yes,
Cici?
Andila. Yes.
Andila, oke.
You can
Sister
call me
Andila.
Andila.
Oke, thank you, Sister. Nice to meet you
Thank
ya.
you so much. Nice to meet you.
Oke. Next. Sister Salwa.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Salwa Salsabila Hasana. You can call me Salwa or Wawa. And I live in Palembang Regency, Lalang Sumbawa, South Sumatra. And then, apa lagi?
Umur?
Oh, I'm around 20 years old. And then I'm studying Dian Swantoro University, the majoring PJJ Informatics.
Okay.
And then maybe enough is nice to meet you,
Oh,
everyone.
enough. Okay. What is your hobby? You haven't explained about that.
My hobby reading webtoon and watching Korea drama and then
see.
reading motorcycle.
Okay, and what is your reason to take this class?
For my reason, because I like English and then I like talk English and then my dosen itu
Kenapa?
lecture ya.
Oh, lecturer.
Lecture. My lecture often sering bahas often language English.
Oh,
So,
often use English language.
yes.
Oh.
But I don't know. But I don't understand.
Okay, very good. I hope you can improve your English here ya, Sister Salwa ya.
Yes.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Miss.
Oke, ini tadi ada sedikit tambahan ya. Teman-teman tadi kan Sister Salwa tuh bilang lecture, gini ya, lecture. Lecture itu artinya perkuliahan. Oke, perkuliahan atau kuliah, lecture. Ya, kelas. Biasanya kalau kita kuliah, kelasnya kita bilang lecture. I have a lecture at jam berapa, misalnya gitu ya. Kuliah. Kalau dosen itu lecturer. Ada R-nya di akhir ya. Ini yang membedakan. Ini dosen, ya ini kuliah ya. Tambahan ya untuk ingat soalnya. Oke, yuk kita ke Bro Dimas lagi. Sekarang, gak lagi. Bro Dimas sekarang. Sorry, ke-mute. Bisa nggak?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Oke.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Let me introduce. My name is Dimas Alpiansa. You can call me Dimas. I'm around 20 years, still young.
Still young.
And then I'm graduate in Universitas Garut, and I take FND department. And my hobbies, I like play football and badminton. And I spend leisure time by watch anime because I like anime. And I'm taking this class because I want to improve my English, and I hope to be able to speak English very well. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Bro Dimas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, ma'am.
Oke, kita ke Sister Fatma sekarang. Halo, Sister Fatma, bisa nggak di-unmute? Halo?
Halo.
Oke. Mute lagi. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Okay.
Good evening,
Hi.
sis.
Good evening. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, tell me, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatma Sune. You can call me Fatma. I come from Gorontalo City, but now I live in Bulaang Mongondo Regency in Manado, North Sulawesi.
Okay.
Okay. I am a teacher in junior high school. I am a teacher in junior high school in North Bulaang Mongondo Regency. And I am 52 years old.
Wow, okay.
I studied in Gorontalo City, Gorontalo University in 1989. 1989. I spent my least time by listening to music. I love doing cooking.
Okay.
I love cooking. I'm taking this class because I want to improve my speaking for my student. The reason why I'm taking this speaking partner, I want to improve my speaking. I want to speak English fluently for my student.
Okay. So you want to speak
By the end
English
of this
fluently, so
class,
you
I hope I can speak English fluently more and confidence. My goal, sis, goal the same meaning aim. No, AIM, AIM.
No,
The same
my
meaning.
goal.
Oh my God. No, I think I mean maksud saya itu my goal. Goal itu tujuan. Sama dengan aim.
Oh,
AIM.
aim. Aim.
Aim.
Oke. Aku dengarnya aim, aku kira aim. Aim iya, sama. Aim bisa juga dipakai.
Oh my God. So I want to speak English, but a little. Now I join this. What is partner? Speaking partner. My goal is to know about structure, especially for my student, because I am a teacher now.
Okay. So what kind of teacher are you? I mean, ngajar apa, sister?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia. Okay. You want to speak English. You want to like speak English while you're teaching. Mau ngomong bahasa Inggris ketika ngajar gitu ya. Jadi pengen belajar bahasa Inggris biar bisa ngajar pakai bahasa Inggris gitu ya maksudnya ya.
Iya. Sekarang kan SD-nya sudah ada bahasa Inggris. Now I teach in what is SD?
Elementary school.
Elementary school. But now I teach in junior high school.
Junior high school. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you so much ya, Sister Fatma ya. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Meet you too.
Next, kita ke Sister Tasha. Oh, namanya mirip aku nih, Tasha. Halo.
Hello everyone.
Halo.
Hello everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
I want to introduce myself. My name is Tasha. You can call me Tasha too. And I am 25 years old. I come from North Sumatra in Binjai City. And now I live in there too. I spend my leisure time by singing and watching movie, playing some game. I work as a storekeeper in car accessories and equipment store.
Okay.
My purpose to join this class is I want to speak fluently in English, and my goal is it's my confidence to speak.
Raise your confidence in speaking English ya.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Sister Tasha ya panggilannya ya. Oke, thank you Sister Tasha. Kita ke Kurin. Kurin.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Good
Let me
evening.
introduce myself. I'm Azida Maskurin. You can call me Kurin. I live in Mojokerto, East Java. I'm a working mother. I work in PT Bring Solution Indonesia. I'm as a business development. I graduated from Jember University, majoring in marketing management.
Okay.
I spending my leisure time by watching Netflix and sometimes scrolling social media. I like to watching video about cooking and recipes because I love cooking. I'm taking this class because I want to improve my English. Because I need English to communicate with my college, especially foreigner. Sometimes I got client from overseas.
Okay.
And my my goal by joining this class, of course, I want to speak English fluently. Okay, that's all from me.
Wow, very good. Thank you, Sister. Panggilannya Sister Kurin ya?
Yes,
Okay,
Kurin.
thank you, Sister Kurin. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, Sister Tasya. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Next, Anik, Sister Anik.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, my name is Ani. I'm 32 years old and I'm from Central Java in Semarang. And then I graduated from Semarang State University on accounting department. And then I love cooking so much because I love eating too. And I work in a garment factory as a merchandiser. It's produce some kind of shirt and we sell it to the other country, mostly in US and Europe.
Wow,
And
okay.
I work in Indonesia, but my main office is in Taipei, so I work remotely from the Indonesia.
I see, I see.
And
Wow,
then
interesting.
I'm taking this class because I need to improve my speaking as I communicate with my teammate in Taipei. As I think China's English accent is more difficult than US accent, you know. And then,
Yes, I agree.
I think Chinese and India is the difficult one.
The difficult one.
I hope I can speak English better without because when I'm
Without
speaking
fillers.
because I have one teammate from Indonesia who always criticize the other guy's English. I know his English is very good, but he always he always like criticize other guy like, your English is not good, it's not correct to pronounce it, blah blah blah. I think I really need to join this class. I think
Oh
that's it
yeah,
for
I
me.
hope you enjoy joining this class. And if I can give you a recommendation, just don't give then just don't care about those apa criticize you, because I think it's really normal because English is not our first language ya. Jadi aku mau bilang nggak usah peduliin yang komen-komen karena nanti jatuhnya jadi takutnya nggak percaya diri dan segala macam untuk ngomong. Just just do it. Oke, Mister Anik ya. Oke, thank you. Nice to meet you. Oke, kita sekarang ke Bro Ahmad. Oke, halo.
Hello, hi.
Oke, hi.
All right. I wanna introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Setri Sandi. Everyone usually call my name Sandi. I'm 22 years old. Currently, I live in Tanah Tinggi, Tangerang. I'm graduate from University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang, majoring industrial engineering in 2023. I'm working as purchasing and warehouse management officer at PT Akril Textile Mills, that factory at Tangerang Kota. I'm joining this class because I wanna massively improve my English skills to speaking, reading, maybe, and my goals join this class to be able public speaking, of course, to presentation in formal condition, and speak English fluently, of course.
Oh, okay, very good.
Maybe
Nice.
that's it. Thank you so much for opportunity. Thank you.
Oke, thank you Bro Ahmad. Nice to meet you. Lanjut. Bro Rian tadi kayaknya udah ya. Oke. Bro Rian tadi udah belum ya? Kayaknya udah ya.
Udah.
Oh, udah. Oke, kita next ya, berarti ya. Oke, Sri Irmawan.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Let me tell you about myself. I am Sri Irmawan. You can call me just Sri. And I a midwife. And then I'm open clinic in my house. And you want to know how old I am? And I am around 54-year-old. Still young, yeah. Still young.
Oh my God, you're like my mom.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
I'm graduate midwifery Academy Purwakarta 2021, and for time I love doing cooking and listening music and exercise, maybe, yeah, like jogging or dance. And then I'm taking this class because I see many people around me, they can speak English, and I'm interested. And then speaking, I follow course in English. I think I can speaking only by myself, and so I also need partner and guide for learn speaking English. And
Okay.
then, and my goal of this class, I hope I can speak English well and fluently. That's all for me. Enough. Thank you,
Okay, that's
Miss.
all. Thank you ya, Sister Sri. Wow, I'm amazed ya with all of you yang actually udah not that young anymore, but you are still have a lot of spirits to learn English in your age gitu. Jadi ya, I'm really appreciate it. Oke, sekarang kita masuk ke part paling terakhir. Let's get to know one another. Aku akan tanyakan pertanyaan ini ya ke Pauzia deh, Sister Pauzia. Halo.
Hai.
Oke, Sister Pauzia, aku mau tanya beberapa pertanyaan ya. Yang pertama, how many siblings do you have?
Okay, can you repeat again what your
How
question?
many siblings do you have?
I have. What is the sibling?
Siblings itu saudara kandung. Punya berapa saudara kandung?
I have 4 siblings.
4 siblings, okay. Who is the closest one? Siapa yang paling dekat? Your
My
first sibling?
My sister, yeah, my sister.
Your sister?
Is the first one.
Okay, why you guys are so close? Kenapa kalian dekat?
Because we are always sharing about our problem.
And itu aja?
Yeah, and I
Lagi?
enjoy speak her.
Okay. All right, very good. Thank you ya Sister Fauzia for answering my question. Oke, kita next ke Bro William.
Hello.
Hello, I want to ask you several questions related to you. Do you like pets?
Like what?
Do you like pet?
Pet.
Binatang
Actually,
peliharaan?
no.
No. So you don't have pets at your house?
I
You
don't
don't
have a
have
pet.
them? Oh,
I
I
don't have
see. Then what do you like?
because I'm open restaurant that
Oh, I see.
because pets so gimana ya, mengganggu ya takutnya.
Yeah. Disturbing.
Yeah,
I see.
disturbing.
Disturbing. And then what is your hobby then?
My hobby is doing exercise like badminton, or in my free time maybe I doing playing games.
Okay, playing games. Okay, so your hobby is playing game and your exercise is badminton.
Yes.
Is that correct? Oh, okay. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Bro William,
Thank
for
you.
answering the
Thank you, sis.
question. Okay, next, Al. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Oh, okay. So I would like to give you several questions
Okay.
about yourself. The first is I want to ask you, what is the important thing in your life? Apa hal yang paling penting di hidup?
My parents.
Your parents. And then do you have sibling? Punya saudara kandung?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of
I have
course.
4 siblings.
4 siblings. And who is the closest one in your family?
My first sister,
Your sister.
my elder
Why?
sister. Yeah, my elder sister.
Why is your elder sister close to you?
Because she live in Indonesia with me.
Okay. And about the other sibling?
In
No,
Indonesia.
you don't. You don't.
I'm
You
sorry.
you're not
I'm
too
joking.
close.
No. My other sibling live in Kalimantan. So
Oh,
yeah,
in Kalimantan.
we
Okay.
just
I thought your
we
other sibling lives abroad
no. I'm just kidding.
because you said that
Yeah,
your elder sister live in Indonesia, and then I suddenly thought that okay, your
yeah.
other sibling live abroad. Okay, that's good. All
Yes,
right,
yes.
thank you so much ya,
Thank you.
Bro El. Thank you. Oke, siapa lagi ya? Nina, Sister Nina.
Oke, teacher.
Oke, jangan panggil teacher dong, panggilnya Miss aja atau Sis.
Oh ya, oke, Miss, sorry.
Teacher tuh kayaknya kaku banget gitu ya.
Iya,
Oke.
sorry, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't have to say sorry. Okay, I would like to give you several questions related to you.
Yes.
What sports do you do?
I like sport, run and walk every day in the morning.
Running and walking?
Yeah. And then badminton. And sometimes yoga.
Oh, nice yoga. It's interesting. Okay. And do you like watching TV or television, or do you prefer watching on YouTube?
I prefer watching YouTube because when I watch YouTube, I can get more information about everything.
I see. So you prefer YouTube now, ya,
Yes.
than television. Okay. Okay, thank you, Sister Nina. Thank you so much for answering my
You're
question.
welcome, Miss.
Okay. So guys, since our time is up, jadi kelas di speaking partner itu kan teman-teman, aku nggak tahu teman-teman tahu atau enggak ya, tapi kelas di speaking partner itu dia kayak berurutan gitu, kayak dari jam 6 misalnya, nanti dari jam 6 sampai jam 7, terus nanti ada kelas lagi jam 7 sampai jam 8 sampai jam 9, jam 9 sampai jam 10. Jadi kelas di speaking partner itu kayak nggak ada jedanya. So I need to like take your time, probably 2, 3, 4 minutes to prepare my next class, karena aku ada kelas lagi di jam 9 gitu ya. So I think that's it for today because I have another class at 9, so I need to prepare my next class, ya. And if you guys have any question, teman-teman bisa chat di grup atau kalian juga bisa ngobrol-ngobrol di grup. So you can actually use the group for practicing, ya, untuk practice. Teman-teman bisa kirim chat, bisa kita tanya kabar, bisa cerita-cerita, curhat dan lain-lain. Mau pakai voice record juga boleh, ya. Just use the group untuk gunakan grup itu semaksimal mungkin lah, ya, untuk practice-nya. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. If you have any question, mungkin drop di grup aja karena aku nggak bisa lama-lama. I have to move to another class. Thank you so much for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
See you tomorrow night.